family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for stopping by. If you are new here, welcome. All right, y'all, let's get right into it. Today I'm here with these two very powerful ingredients. I'm going to be using these to make my hair treatment, hair tea, or concoction, however you want to call this. I'm going to be using these two very powerful ingredients. But before I get to the amount of the ingredients I'm going to use, I'm going to move to the stove top to get my water started, and then we're going to come back to this. All right, so let's move on to the stove top. All right, family, we are at the stove top. I'm going to turn this on to high, set my pot right on here, and then I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water. All right, family, so let's get started to the amount of ingredients we're going to use to make this hair tea or hair treatment. Like I said, however you want to call this, okay? This is my bay leaves. I have used bay leaves on my channel before. This is a very, very powerful herb, all right? Bay leaf has so many antioxidants that can help in treating your hair. If you have dandruff or any type of bacterial or fungal infections, you can use bay leaf to treat that. And bay leaf, from research, has about 2% of oil, natural oil, that can be used to keep your hair looking shiny and overall just make your hair and scalp healthy. So I'm going to be using about 6 bay leaves for this treatment. There you have it. This is my cloves. This is my cloves. I love cloves, y'all. All right, so we are going to be using 1 tablespoon of the cloves. Cloves are really, really good for hair loss. If you are experiencing any type of hair loss, you can use cloves to treat that. However, you have to be consistent. I have preached consistency on my channel, and I don't know how to say anymore, okay? So I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of cloves. I'm going to put this in here. It is just 2 ingredients that we're going to be using to make this very powerful hair treatment. The bay leaves, as I said earlier, is really, really good for your hair. You can find the bay leaves in your local grocery stores or the market area, and they also have cloves too. These 2 can be found in the seasoning aisle. All right, that's where I get my bay leaves sometimes, and my cloves I usually get them from Walmart or my Middle Eastern stores. All right, family, so I'm going to be using these to make my treatment. You can see the water is almost to a boiling point. What we're going to do next is put in our ingredients. So I'm just going to drop these in here just like this. I'm going to lower the stove top to medium and cover my pot. I'm going to leave this on here for 15 minutes on low heat. I think I can even lower this more. All right, family, here is my treatment. It is still on low. I got busy with other stuff. Yeah, so it's been on low for a while. It is warm enough to strain it. All right, so I'm just going to completely turn this off. All right, family, I'm going to put some of this in my teacup because I do drink my herbal tea. Yeah, let me put a little bit back. Sometimes I add honey to sweeten it up a little bit because
today this thing can be so bitter sometimes, okay?
So if you don't like it bitter, you can put a little bit of honey to sweeten it up. So I'm going to set this aside. This is my tea I'm going to drink. Here is my treatment. I'm going to put this in my spray bottle. family, thank you all for stopping by today. This is how you can make this very easy and simple hair treatment. It is used as a leave-in, so you do not have to wash this out. All right, thank you all again for stopping by. I'll catch you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye.